Are robots going to replace humans? I'm hearing AI. I'm not, I'm scared. What's going to happen with the future of robotics and the human race?
This is Let's Talk Higher Ed.
I think robots have been replacing humans for 50 years, and people usually complain about it before it happens, and then when the robots come in, they free up space for people to do more enjoyable jobs. Typically, robots take the worst jobs first. I don't want to be flippant about because there are people. I grew up near a car factory, and the workforce shrank over my childhood, and I watched that happen. But there are still opportunities. The more complicated these engineering systems gets, the more they need people to sort of look after them. So typically they're taking the repetitive jobs, just the turning screws, spot welding, and the menial tasks that weigh your life down. So, I spend a lot of my time doing laundry, and folding laundry is a huge, huge challenge for robots. Right? Like folding a shirt seems easy for me, super hard for a robot, but we're getting there now. And it won't be long before robots fold your laundry, put your stuff away, and it frees you up to do things you like more.